NT Systems is here delivering their C80 electric propulsion package to customer Marion Electric Yachting.
So we're here in the Marion shipyards and we just delivered the NT Systems basically full motor and battery package. Chrysler battery, all the components and the motor.
CTO Nejc is going over the motor basics with the Marion crew.
And then you have a quick connectors here and here.
He's also going over the electrical schematics and showing the operation of the display. The plan is for the Marion shipyard to install the components, and NT Systems will return in about a week to connect the high voltage systems.
So we are at the Marion boat. We delivered the motor last time. Today we come back to check their installation. They already installed the motor, they already installed the battery, onboard charger and power distribution unit. Today we are just finishing with high voltage connections. After that we will check all the installations and start with commissioning.
Now that the high voltage cables are in place, it's time to double check the connections and then sea trial the boat. Marion and NT Systems are heading over to Wolfgang Sea with the Laguna 760 to sea trial the boat.
We came here to check their installation. We came here to do a commissioning and finally to do first sea trials on the boat, on their model Laguna. And I think it's very successful, and I hope that the client is also satisfied with it. So yeah, it was a successful week. Actually, I'm really happy with the outcome, with the handling of the motor, actually also of the boat. And I think that the motor really fits nice into the boat because the engine room is really clean. It fits the design and the quality of the boat really nicely, and the system with the boat make a nice whole.
To find out more about NT Systems propulsion packages, visit their website at nt.systems and learn about what they can do for your boat.